forgetting my duty, following a beauty, riding on an electric scooty. Oh almighty, you're so naughty. Electric scooters may look beautiful in terms of design, but most of them having a pathetic suspension which makes the customers unsatisfied. It's like seat hard, suspension rot, customers feel mad, and this is so bad. So I'm asking you, the manufacturer dad, why are you not giving any solution for that? This is so sad. And the reason for this is simple. Most of the electric two-wheelers are being imported from other countries like Japan and China, and they are using the same suspension for Indian road conditions. But actually those suspensions are meant to be used in those respective countries, but not for Indian road conditions. But no manufacturer is not replacing the suspension compatible for Indian roads. So in this video, I will discuss about some of the electric two-wheelers in India having suspension issues highlighted by the electric scooter owners itself. So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. Before we start the video, let's hear what the owners said about electric two-wheelers, especially their suspension problem. Let's start with Benlingora.
Suspension part is it's very not comfortable as other vehicles like petrol vehicles. That company need to be taken care or need to be modified, work out on the suspension for both and front. Why I'm saying that? Because of the front suspension, when the suspension is not good, these parts may get damaged. Once, if it's a plain road, yes, it's a more comfortable like a metro train. It feels like a metro train. Speed breakers also is not major problem, but only thing is any bumps like speed holes, then the bike gets a lot of disturbance, and also sometimes it may break this part also.
Now let's hear about e-Pluto 7G.
In the 1 week I got some drawbacks like suspension. Suspension is the major drawback.
Now about the Okinawa scooters.
నెగిటివ్స్ వచ్చేపాటికి మనకి సస్పెన్షన్ అన్నది నేను అబ్జర్వ్ చేసింది వర్స్ట్ అనే చెప్పొచ్చు. లైక్ ఏ బండి అయినా ఎలక్ట్రిక్ బండ్లో అలాగే ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఏంటంటే నాకు విజయవాడ రోడ్లో ఈ సస్పెన్షన్ అనేది పర్లేదు అనిపించింది. ఎందుకంటే హైదరాబాద్లో మనకి ఏదైతే వైట్ కలర్ ఉంటాయో వాటికి కూడా అదిరిపోయింది బాగా. ఎందుకంటే అది హైవే మీద కొంచెం స్ట్రాంగ్ చేయడం వల్ల వాళ్ళు ఆ స్పీడ్ బ్రేకర్స్ అనేది మనం ఇనిషియల్గా 10లో వెళ్తున్నా కూడా మనకి డిఫరెన్స్ తెలుస్తూ ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఏంటంటే మన విజయవాడ రోడ్స్లో మా విజయవాడ రోడ్స్లో పర్లేదు ఇట్ ఈస్ గుడ్ ఇనఫ్ అనిపించింది.
So let's start about Okinawa electric scooters. So far the company got 4 electric two-wheelers approved under FAME 2 scheme subsidies, and out of these 4 models, 3 models are very popular from Okinawa. Those are iPrice, Price Pro and iPrice Plus. iPrice having a subsidy of 26,000 rupees, whereas Price Pro have a subsidy of 19,000 rupees, and iPrice Plus got a subsidy of 30,000 rupees. And Okinawa scooter owners are benefited around 75,000 rupees from these 3 models. But majority of these electric scooter owners complained about the suspension of these electric two-wheelers, and it's been more than 3 years the company been established in India, but there is no solution for this suspension issue. But few of our subscribers given a solution for this suspension problem. Starting with Venkata Naidu, he is a owner of Okinawa Price electric scooter. He emailed to us stating that he recently replaced his Okinawa suspension with Pulsar Nitrox suspension. The Pulsar Nitrox suspension having a gas in it, so which gives a better feel while riding on the road. So he clearly mentioned that it took 2,000 rupees for replacing the suspension, and he even altered the foot pegs as well, and it cost him around 1,000 rupees. So if you are a owner of Okinawa Price or Okinawa Price Pro, you can try this Pulsar Nitrox suspension if you are not comfortable with the existing Okinawa suspension. And there is one more owner of Okinawa iPrice Plus, and his name is Karthikeyan. He mentioned that he recently replaced his Okinawa iPrice Plus suspension with CD100 suspension, so which gives him better feel and comfort after replacing it. If any of our subscribers or viewers having this Okinawa electric scooter, try any of this suspension which give you better feel when compared with the previous suspension. As the second model, we need to discuss about e-Pluto 7G. This is a scooter from Pure EV, and most of the customers also mentioned about the same issue. There is an issue with the rear suspension. So one of our subscribers, Mr. Satish, clearly mentioned that he replaced e-Pluto 7G suspension with Endurance company suspension. So it cost him around 1,000 rupees, and he suggested you go to the technician and tell them replace the existing suspension with a 1 feet of Endurance suspension, which helps him to give better comfort on ePluto 7G. So that is the solution for ePluto 7G customers. If you have facing any issues with the suspension, you can try this endurance suspension in your electric scooter, which gives you better comfort. And finally, one more electric scooter we would like to discuss is about Benling Aura. And Benling Aura electric scooter is one of the tall scooters available in the market, whereas customers also complaining about its suspension. And one of our subscriber gave a solution for this. He is almost 6 feet height, and he said that he replaced his suspension with Hero Passion Pro suspension, which gives him a better comfort. But he clearly mentioned to the audience that he only suggested to people who are actually 6 feet height or more than that, because the scooter itself is already height. If you put that Passion Pro suspension in it, the scooter seat height may increase even higher. So if you are at least 6 feet or more than that, you can try this Hero Passion Pro suspension. That's what he mentioned for Benling Aura electric scooter. And Benling Aura is getting subsidy of around 23,000 rupees under FAME 2 scheme subsidy. So these are some of the electric two-wheelers which are popular in India. There are a few more electric scooters having the suspension issues, but these are actually people are interested to buy in the market having some issues. We are not just highlighting the issues, we are giving a solution for that from our subscribers or the electric two-wheeler owners. If any of the electric two-wheeler manufacturer is watching this video, always try to take this feedback as a positive criticism and try to improve your electric two-wheeler, because if you can improve these features, definitely more people will buy these electric two-wheelers and you can improve your business as well. And I would like to also mention something to the viewers. These are actually some of the electric two-wheelers having an issue that we can identify at the initial level, but there are some electric two-wheelers which having suspension issues after few months of usage. So to identify that, we need your support. If you are an electric two-wheeler owner facing any issues, feel free to share your details, mention the electric two-wheeler you're using and the problem you're facing along with your email ID. And we request all electric two-wheeler owners who is having issue with the suspension, please mention your email ID, your electric scooter name and your vehicle purchase date, so that we can send an email to the manufacturer. If more people are involved in this, and there is a possibility where you can get a quick resolution. We always stick to genuinity. For that, we need immunity. That is our EV community. Please subscribe to Electric Vehicles channel. Go green, go electric.